Okay, so this is a video on how to set up a Sky and Virgin combo box and how to enter the lines for them. First thing you need to do is make sure you've got the connectors right. So if you look on the back of the box, you've got tuner A here, which is Sky, that just screws on. You've got tuner B here, which is Virgin. Now you have to put one of these connectors on, so it's a screw-on F connector to a RF male. So just screw that on the end of your Virgin connection. Obviously make sure that's connected to your white Virgin box at the other end on the wall, and that goes in tuner B RF in here. So that's that set. The next thing you need to know is the net ID for your area. So if you go to Google and type in Virgin net ID, you'll find a list like this. Find your area. We're in Birmingham, so it would be the 41011. So it's always a 5-digit number. Usually starts 41. A lot of them. Some of them start 000. It's not always obvious what area you come under, so try which one you think. If that doesn't work, try the next nearest area. You'll find the channels where it work, or it'll say error of some sort, PAT ID error. That's usually the problem with the Virgin. So then once you've got that, you need to have a line to put in as well. If you've already got a line, great. If you need a line, contact us on the email below, and we'll sort you one out. If you've already got a Sky line you're trying to put a Virgin in, you'll probably find, I've not tried it, but I'd imagine it needs to come from the same server, so that could possibly cause a problem. So right, press menu, set up, service searching, tuner configuration. So you need to turn the Sky on, or whichever ones are on and off. Set that to simple on the 28.2 East Astra satellite for UK Sky. Green to save. You don't want to zap back, no. And tuner B is your Virgin. That needs to be set to DVB-C. Type in your net ID you just got from Google, and type UK Virgin Media. This is so if it's not working and you need to change the area, this is where it needs to go. Save that, and you also need to set it in the auto boutique maker. So providers, so you want these three off, Sky UK turned on. Set your area again, so make sure it's on the custom one, not HD or SD, because you'll have problems with the channels. So we want Central Midlands custom, so whatever your area is custom. Free to air off because you're not using that. Generate main boutique to just to yes. You don't want the HD on Sky because there's no HD channels, so turn that off. Swap channels, you can have that on if you want. It replaces the SD channels with the HD channels. It's up to you how you want that. So then Virgin, set to yes, you want that on. Set the net ID for your area again. Free to air off, then yes to everything. Swap channels is up to you. Okay. Then scan for the channels. It will scan the Virgin and the Sky. Now it's probably not going to like it because we haven't got the Sky plugged in, but it should say it's how many it's found, all your Sky or your Virgin channels now. It should be 1000 and something odd channels for both of them. I mean, the benefits of having both is obviously there's more channels on Sky, but you've got HD on Virgin, and it allows you to record one and watch another as you're using both tuners now. So once you've done that, you need to put your line in. So exit out of everything, press blue. Dream Explorer, or if you haven't got Dream Explorer, anything that lets you get to this file system will do. If you haven't got any of that, then you'll have to do it by the computer way, into FTP into it. So any FTP client will work, but Dreambox Control Center is the proper one for these boxes. So you go to USR keys Mgcamd.list. So this is for the Mgcamd files. CCCam goes in another file, which would be etc. cccam.cfg. If you've got two separate lines, just pop them both in, one under the other, doesn't matter which order they're in. If you've got a combo line like what we sell, so it's one line that will do both Sky and Virgin, you just pop the one in. Make sure you type it properly, it's case sensitive, it's got to have the space between everything, each section, so you've got the host space, the port space, the username space, the password, and you need the 0, 1 to 14 there as well. Be careful of the zeros and the O's. The O's are a bit bigger and rounder than the zeros. The I's, capital I's, are just a straight line. Ones have got a little notch on them, so just be mindful of that. It's easy to get that wrong. So then press exit. It will ask you if you want to save it. Click yes. Exit out again. Press the blue button. Go to Softcam Manager. Down to Mgcamd. And then either green will be to start if it hasn't been started before, or yellow to restart. And that will connect to the server now. And that should be you working really. If that's not working now and you've typed everything correctly, then it will be down to your internet. If you press menu, setup, system, down to network, device setup, select whichever you're on, wireless LAN or Ethernet. We're on the Wi-Fi here. And go to network test, green to start it. It'll tell you if it's working then, so if everything's green then you're good to go. If you've got any red or unconfirms, then there's an internet problem there. Usually a reset of the router will sort a lot of them problems. If you're getting all green here and it's still not connecting, you've probably got an IP conflict on there where two devices are trying to use the same IP address, which is fairly common. You'd have to do a hard reset of your router to solve that, because that will wipe all the IP addresses and then everything will just be allocated a new one when they try to connect, and then that should solve that problem. That should be everything really. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.